Welcome. If you're facing issues with LinkedIn not showing messages on your PC after the recent update, you're not alone. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to resolve this problem. Let's walk through them together. First, close your browser and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart can refresh the connection and clear any temporary glitches that might be causing the issue. Next, it's essential to check your internet connection. Head to the notifications area on your taskbar and click on the network icon. Ensure that you are connected to a stable network without interruptions. If your internet seems fine, try refreshing the LinkedIn web page. Click on the refresh icon at the top left of your browser. This can help reload the page and potentially resolve any loading issues. If you still don't see your messages, ask the sender to resend the message. There could be a chance that it didn't go through properly. Sometimes restarting your device can work wonders. Press the Windows icon on your keyboard, click on the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button again. Another effective solution is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Click on the three dots at the top right of your browser, then select Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab that appears, ensure all options are checked and set the time range to all time. Finally, click on Delete Data to clear out any corrupted files that might be affecting LinkedIn's performance. If you've followed these steps and still encounter issues, consider checking for any browser extensions that may be interfering with LinkedIn. Disabling these extensions can sometimes resolve messaging problems. By following these steps, closing and reopening your browser, checking your internet connection, refreshing LinkedIn, asking for message resends, restarting your device, and clearing cache, you should be able to fix the issue of LinkedIn not showing messages on your PC. Thank you for watching, and good luck.